2-plate Kia Niro HEV with a Starline Pro. Thief gets your key, does a relay attack, tries to steal it, car doesn't start, doesn't go to ready. For the customer, PIN code or phone, disarm tone, now start. Vehicle goes to ready, you can drive it. If they don't want to use a PIN code, they can turn their Bluetooth on their phone. Now with their Bluetooth on, next time they get in the vehicle with their paired phone, start it up, melody straight away, and drive. No need to put a PIN code in. Just phone in your pocket, Bluetooth on with an adjustable range, it will start. This also has a service mode of a press and hold, or press any button 11 times after you've disarmed it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Off, back on, 2 bleeps. This is a normal car, so start without a code, take it back to Kia. When you get it back, code, 2 bleeps, takes it out, it's protected again. To get one installed, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.